AI Assist is WeConnect's built-in AI layer for LinkedIn and email outreach. It writes personalized messages, summarizes profiles and conversations, replies to prospects for you, and powers the AI agents and post remix. In this video, you'll learn how to set it up and use it across WeConnect. Start by giving the AI the right context. From the Settings menu, open AI Settings and click Enable AI. Then set your default language and tone of voice. Next, create a business snapshot. This tells AI about your company, product, audience, and goals. Each snapshot has its own language and tone, so you can create multiple snapshots for different products or campaigns. Once your context is set, you can use AI Assist anywhere you can send a message: the Messaging tab, the Campaign Manager, or a contact's profile. In all three places, you'll find the AI Assist button at the bottom of the message composer. Clicking it gives you three options. Digest Profile summarizes the contact's experience, education, and key details, and writes a personalized outreach message. Digest Thread summarizes your message thread, highlights next steps, and drafts a professional reply. Generate Message opens the AI Assist panel, where you type a prompt and click Generate. Inside the panel, you can also browse the prompts library for ready-made prompts or save your own, and open History to revisit past AI chats. Your message already reflects the tone and voice from your business snapshot. Want changes? Just tell the AI in the chat. Make it shorter, change the tone, translate it. Keep iterating until it's right, then insert and send. AI Assist works in your campaigns too. Generate messages in the Campaign Composer, add AI icebreakers for unique opening lines, vary phrasing with the spintax writer, and let AI auto-reply handle responses in Copilot or autonomous mode. If you have any questions, start a live chat with our support team. We're happy to help.